Today, we'll see how we can make use of ChatGPT to create UX UI prototypes, and that too working prototypes like making use of HTML, jQuery, Bootstrap, CSS. So what we have done over here is we have just gone to chat.openai.com, and here we are giving some prompts. So I'm just saying that consider yourself as a UX UI developer and provide HTML page with Bootstrap CSS and use font awesome icons wherever required. Use jQuery form validation, which shows a profile page of a user showing the following information like the image of the person, first name, last name, email, date of birth, and a button to edit the above information when clicked. The above should be populated in a model window. And lastly, I just tried to incorporate material UI design as well, which obviously it was able to do, but with some iterations. So here, what it does is it says straightforward that creating a full HTML page with Bootstrap CSS, font awesome icons, and jQuery form validation for a user profile page as per your requirement can be quite extensive, but still it goes ahead and provides a simplified example so that we can get started. So here it has provided me one HTML page. Now if you see, what it has done is it has kind of included all the necessary things like Bootstrap CSS from the CDN, font awesome icons, and here it just left one placeholder where I can go and include material design style as well, which I was able to do by asking ChatGPT itself, and it was able to provide me that as well. Over here you can see next is it is making use of font awesome icons wherever necessary. So for every label that we have like first name, last name, email, date of birth, it is making use of appropriate icons as well. So here you can see FA user, FA envelope, FA birthday cake, and then it is also providing a model. So if I show you this HTML code that I copied from ChatGPT, what it is doing is it's providing me the Bootstrap CSS font awesome, and here it is even generating some custom CSS. Like over here, when I want to enlarge the profile image on mouse over, it is writing that piece of code as well for styling. Down below you can see that I've just included one thing, that is a profile image, so that I can demonstrate this enlarge feature. Once I have downloaded that, you can even see that it has applied some styling to that image as well. So it's not like a rectangular box that will appear, it will be something different. So here we have the font awesome icons, appropriate ones based on the label or kind of information that we are showing, and then we have a model as well. So here we are making use of Bootstrap model, and it is doing it right out of the box. It's not something that I have to give prompt and number of times. This is something, the first iteration that ChatGPT has produced, and here we have the pop-up model. Now what I've done afterwards is that I've also included one feature where I can go in and edit the image, and I want to preview that image before uploading. So that feature is also built in now, and here we have the buttons. So it has carefully included two buttons, close and save changes. It's not just one button. It is remembering that you need to close the model and you also need to save the changes. So it has provided both the aspects over here. It has gone ahead and included the Bootstrap JS, the JavaScript library, the validation plugin, and everything that is required to make this page functional. Now here we have the profile image, zoom in, zoom out effect, and then we have the form validation going on when we try to submit something. Here when we are clicking on the edit button, this model dialog will open up. It will pre-populate the text boxes with the value that was shown to the user, and then we have this edit image. Here what it is doing is it is previewing or creating a preview of the image that we are trying to upload, and all this is done without writing a single line of code. All I've done over here is I've edited the profile image. So I've provided one image, I created a directory and put one image inside it, and after that all I've done is I've just asked ChatGPT a couple of times over here. As you can see, I just added few more steps, like I said that ensure that when edit profile is clicked, it is pre-filled with the information of the user, provide image upload feature, and I also mentioned that you just need to do it on the client side where we have the image preview option. And lastly, I did apply material UI. It did that, but overall the look and feel was not that good, so I kind of excluded it from this presentation. So here you can see the code was provided directly by ChatGPT, this piece as well and this piece as well. So after that, I kind of asked for the CSS class to enlarge the image, and it provided that as well. I just copied and pasted it. So you can see now, using ChatGPT, we are able to create functioning prototypes. Now, if I run this one, you'll notice this is the page that it has created. If I hover on the image, you can see the zoom in effect that is there. And then here you can see all the icons that are being used with the label. And if I click on edit profile, you see the pop-up coming up and all the information is pre-populated. And then we have the profile image. Here I can go ahead and choose one image as well, and you can see the preview of that as well. So everything is there. Like if you want to provide a quick prototype to your clients, you can definitely go ahead and make use of ChatGPT to come up with such functioning prototypes, which will obviously give more clarity to the whole workflow that you're trying to cover. Hope this is of some help. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.